Hey guys, what's happening? So today I'll be showing you all how to play Onyeka by Burna off of his new Twice as Tall album. So with today's video, I'm going to be teaching two different parts. So the way that I played first in the preview, I'll teach that later on. I'll play the second one. I'll teach the second version now. If you want to learn the first version, I'll leave a timestamp down below in the description. So you can just click that and it'll take you straight to that part in the video and you can learn that from there. But yeah, so this version I'm going to teach first, it's using open chords, right? So it's like more full. So you probably combine this with the second version if you want to, or if you're singing along to it, or you're playing with someone who's going to sing, then this version may be better. But yeah, to get into it, so the chords in this song are C major, D major, and G major. Okay, so the first chord now, C, so you have your ring finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 4th string, 1st fret, 2nd string, okay? Your bass note is going to be the 5th string right there, okay? So we're going to be using some finger picking patterns. So when I say a number, it's going to be the corresponding string to go with that, alright? So 5 would be the 5th string, 4 would be the 4th string, 3 would be the 3rd string, and 2 would be the 2nd string, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for the first shape you can see, and the first pattern is going to be 5, 3, 2. Okay, that's it. Alright, so now the second chord, you have your D, so 2nd fret, 3rd and 1st string here, and then 3rd fret, 2nd string. Okay, D. Bass note is going to be the 4th string right there. Okay, so for this pattern now, you can start off a little different. You can play 4 and 2 at the same time, then go to 2, and go to 3, sorry. So start off 4 and 2, play 3, and play 2 by itself. Okay? Sorry. So if you put that with the first chord, alright? Okay. So now the 3rd chord is your G major. So 6th string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 1st string. Sorry. Okay, G. Bass note is going to be a 6th string. Okay. So for this time, you're going to play 6, 3, 2, 1, and come back down, 2, 3, okay, like that. So we put it all together, alright, okay, and you play that sequence twice, and then now you have the second pattern. So come back to your C chord. This time you're going to be using the 3 of these fingers here with your bass note. So you have 5, 4, and 3 and 2. Okay, but this time your pinky finger now is going to come onto the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, right there. That note. Okay, so you do 5, 5, 4, 3 and 2 like that. Okay. Second chord now, D. It's the same pattern, just different strings. So come down, bass 1 and 4, play 4, 3, and 2 and 1 at the same time. Okay. All right. So G now. So the first part of the G chord stays the same. You just do 6, 3, 2, 1. But now instead of doing 2 and 3, you're going to play 6, 3. Okay, so like that. Alright? Alright, so all together now, you're going to have like that. So now the sequence for those two patterns, you're going to play the first pattern twice, and you play the second pattern once, and you go back and play the first pattern again, and that'll be 4 times, and that's like the entire sequence of that. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to teach the second part of the lesson. So starting off with this shape here, okay, it's like a C major bar chord shape, just using these 4 strings down here, like that, okay. So 10th fret, 4th string, 9th fret, 3rd string, and then you bar the 2nd and 1st strings on the 8th fret, like that, okay. So the pattern, your thumb is going to come onto the 4th string, and then you're going to play 4, 3, and then 2 and 1 together, okay, like that. Okay, second shape, you're going to take your finger and you're going to bar over the 12th fret, okay, and you're going to bar 2, 3, and 4, okay, sorry, those 3, okay. So with this time now, with all 3 of your fingers, thumb, index and middle finger, on 4, 3, and 2, you're gonna play all them together. Okay? Then you play 2, then you play 3, and 2. Okay? Okay, so together you have. Alright? So now this part is like a little trickier. So bar the 2nd and 1st strings on the 10th fret, and then put your ring finger onto the 12th fret on the 3rd string. Okay? You're gonna play 2, 3, and 1. Okay? No, wait, sorry. You're gonna play 2, 3. Okay? Then you're gonna put your pinky onto the 12th fret of the 2nd string, and then play 2 and 1 together. Alright, like that. So. Alright, so all together you have. Okay? Alright, so you do that 2 times, and then the second time, you play it differently. You take your pinky finger and put it onto the 10th fret of the 1st string. Alright, same picking pattern, 4, 2, 4, 3, and 2 and 1 together. Okay? You come here, this time you bar 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string together. And the same pattern, 4, 3, 2 and 1 together. Okay? Alright? And then this part stays pretty much the same. Come back to the same shape. 2, 3, put your pinky finger here onto the 12th fret of the 2nd string, but you don't play 2 and 1 together, you play them separately, so it's like that, okay? So all together you have. And then after you play that, you play the first pattern again. So. Alright, that's 4 times. And you start all over again. Okay? Alright guys, so that's it for the entire video. If there's any other songs you want me to cover or do tutorial for, just leave it in the comments down below, and I'll try to check it out, see if I can get to it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and catch y'all later.